Hello friends, today we are going to be discuss about final keyword. In this section we are going to be find answer for two different questions. So what is final variable, how to define value for that final variable, and what is the real life example of blank final variable. What is final variable? So everyone knows final word of common meanings, right? The final means it will be constant, does not change, right? So here, can we make a variable final in Java? What is different between normal variable and final variable? Now I'm going to be tell you in practical manner. Now I'm going to be create class under this Java keyword package.com. The class name is final underscore class. So here first I'm going to be tell you what is the normal variable, what is the final variable. Int a equal to 10. So this is the normal variable. So if any variable you created with final keyword, that is the final variable. Final int b equal to 20. So this is the final variable. Now I'm going to be create main method. So here we have to access this final variable, right? How we can access? So can we access using class name dot final variable? Let me check. Sysfo and print value. So plus, what is the class name? Final class dot b. So we are not able to access final variable directly using class name. What is the error it will be throwing? Change b to static, because this main method created with static keyword, right? The static will support static only, right? So that reason the final won't support accessing using the class name. Okay, how I can access non-static method? Creating object for the class name, right? So here now I'm going to be create object for the class name. Final class fi equal to new final class. So here the final class object is fi, right? Using this reference variable, I'm going to be access normal variable value and also final variable value. So here, so already I have just copy and paste it. Normal value, final value. So here, what is the reference variable? Fi dot a, this is the normal value. Fi dot b, this is the final variable, right? So now I'm going to be execute this program. So it will be executed successfully. Okay. So again I'm going to be create static variable. Static int c equal to 30. So here, can I access this static variable using this reference? Let me check. So what is the static variable? C. No, because for the static, no need to create reference variable for the class. So directly we can access the static variable value using the class name. So here I'm using class name dot static variable. Static variable. Okay. Again I'm going to be execute. See, successfully it will be executed, right? So here the normal variable and final variable we can access using the object, which means reference variable, but the static we can access using class name, right? So now can we able to change final variable value? Let me check here. Value fi dot a equal to 20 and fi dot b equal to 30. And here how we can access static variable using class name dot static variable, right? So here final class dot c equal to 40. So here I changed all the variable value. So the normal variable value before 10, now I changed 20. The final variable value before 20, now I changed as a 30. Then the static variable value before 30, now I changed to 40. So all the value I will be incremented adding plus 10. Okay. So now I'm going to be execute. Cannot be assigned. So here it will be throw the error. Why means final variable. We cannot able to change the final variable value one because this is the fixed one. You won't able to change this final variable. Once you can assign any value for this final variable, you cannot able to change that value again. Okay, now I'm just command it. I'm going to be execute again. See, normal variable it will be incremented as a 20 and final variable does not incremented because we won't able to change, and static variable also changed say 40. Okay, not able to reassign this final variable. Why? Final means constant. Once you can assign one value to final variable, you cannot able to change that one. It will be constant, right? Okay, then how I can overcome this problem? Here only you are going to be use blank final variable. So now I'm going to be remove this assigned value. Now this is called as a blank final variable because this variable does not have any value, right? Okay, where I'm going to be assign value for this final variable? Inside main method, let me check. If I assign a value for this final variable, it won't accept it because the final we cannot able to access inside static block, right? So there is no use here. Then what is the way? So you can assign value for this final variable inside constructor. Public final. So the constructor name should be same as a class name, right? So here I'm going to be pass one argument int bb. So here this dot b equal to bb. Now this argument I'm going to be pass this final variable, right? Okay, here how I can access this constructor value. So once you can create object for the class using the reference variable only, we can able to access, right? So once I can create constructor with parameter, here you can see one error it will be throw. What is that error? Add argument to match final class constructor. Click on this one. Here you have to assign value for this final variable one, right? So here I'm going to be assign value 400. Okay, so here what I'm going to be do, print final value, right? So the fi dot b. So again I'm going to be assign another one value. I'm going to be create another one reference variable fi underscore 1. You just copy and paste it this for second final value fi dot b. Here I'm going to be change 100. Now I pass two different value for the final variable. First one is 400, second is 100, right? So here using this blank variable and also using this constructor, we can able to pass different types of value to the final variable, right? Now I'm going to be run this class. Sorry, I didn't change here. fi underscore 1. So this is the right reference variable for this constructor, right? I'm going to be run. See, final 400, the second final is 100. So here you got question, you got answer for this question, right? So normal variable and final variable. The normal variable you can able to reassign it, right? The final variable you cannot able to reassign, right? fi dot b equal to 30. So like that, right? So if you want to change the value for final variable, you can use blank final variable, right? So this is the rules of blank final variable in the constructor.